Good afternoon, everybody. This is Cruiser Chris from the Cruiser Chris World Network, and today we are going to be going on a nature walk. So I'm going to put you in my phone clip, and then I can drive at the same time as we're filming the video. It's currently entering late afternoon, early evening in a suburb near the Minneapolis-St. Paul metro area. It's about 82 degrees and sunny with a light breeze. So, come with me as I take you on an exploration of nature. And we'll see if we can see any fall colors yet, because the leaves are starting to change slowly. So we'll see what we can see. And again, this is the Cruiser Chris World Network YouTube channel. And this is one of the things we do to bring you some entertainment during the current situation that we are all in. So we figured that it would be a good idea for us to bring you nature walks, so that for those of you who are stuck inside your houses currently because of the current restrictions in some states, this will allow you to get out and be a part of nature. Now, as I said, it's coming into fall, so the summer is fading into fall. So one of our questions for today's presentation is, and there you can see the creek right there. There's a little bit of a dam that I think a beaver has built. So we're gonna continue on. So with it being summer, late summer, turning into fall, as a matter of fact, I think today may be the first day of fall. I believe it became fall this morning at 8:30 Central Time. So with it turning from summer to fall, what were you able to do this summer that you can remember that you enjoyed? And how did it feel when you did it this summer? Maybe you went to an amusement park or something, and with the current situation going on, maybe the requirements for being able to get on the rides were different this year because of the current situation that the country is in. Hello. So the question is, what were you, hello, able to do this summer that may have been slightly different than what you were able to do last year during the summer? We had some people walking on the trails with us, so I will repeat the question. What was different for all of you this summer as opposed to summers in the past? Let that car pass. Make sure we don't have any other cars, and then we can go forward. So, what were you able to do this summer that may have been slightly different than what you were able to do previous summers? And did you go to any amusement parks this summer? And if you did, hello, what did you notice that was different from this summer to last summer? Did you notice that they had more of a presence of trying to keep everybody safe? Was there longer lines at the amusement park this summer because of the current situation? So I'll let you think about those questions for a little bit. And then as we continue, I'll ask you some more questions. Not really seeing a lot of color change yet in the leaves. I like that they've came through here and kind of cut down some of the trees so that it's not so buggy. on the trail here, and you can see more of your surroundings, which is a good thing. This is the Lions Coon Creek Trail, just outside of the Twin Cities, and it's part of the Anoka County Parks and Trails system. What a beautiful sight to see. This trail is so nice, ladies and gentlemen, that sometimes you forget that this trail is surrounded by a bunch of neighborhoods. But that can also be a good thing, because if you want to get away for a while from the noise of the neighborhood and get back to nature, you can do it along this trail. So I'm gonna let this person get around us, and then I can start asking questions again. So as you can see, the county has come through here and redid some of the trails, or redid the trail so it's more open. It used to be covered by a bunch of trees, and stuff like that, but now it's open, and they're able to put mile markers and different information, such as that placard, and it tells you a little bit of information about the trail and how it was started. So we'll pause here for just a minute. I'll let you try to read that plaque. Maybe I can get a little bit closer, but I'm not going to get too close because I don't want to fall off into the creek. So my next question could be, with fall coming, what are your favorite fall colors? What are some of your favorite fall activities that you like to do? And are you looking forward to the temperatures getting cooler? Or are you a fan of summer? Okay, so now we're gonna continue on the trail. Yeah. So my latest question was, with fall coming, what are some of your favorite fall colors? Where do you like to go to see the leaves change? What are some of your favorite fall activities that you like to partake in? Do you like going to the pumpkin patch? Maybe you like going to the apple orchard and picking apples? Let us know the answers to all these questions in the comments. Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. You're welcome. Had to move over for a couple of bikers there, but that's okay. We can do that. Here's another question I could ask. With the summer changing to fall and the season change, what is your favorite season? Is it spring, summer, fall, winter? If I had to say so myself, I think I like all 4 seasons, but my favorite one would probably be summer, because that's when it's easiest for me to get out and get around with little to no problem with getting out and getting around, because it's warm during summer. For those of you that like the cooler seasons, fall and spring, what do you like most about those seasons? Do you like the cool? Well, being that it's going into fall right now, we could say, do you like the coolness of the early morning with slight frost on the ground? Or maybe you like the slight cover of snow on the ground that we get in the late fall or early winter season. So we invite you to please tell us in the comment section below, what is your favorite season and why? Also, with fall coming, it's obviously going to get cooler. So, with it getting cooler, that means the holidays are coming upon us fast. So my next question is, what are some of your favorite holidays? And what do you like about them? Do you like the fact that you can gather with your family members and reminisce about years gone by? Do you have any holiday traditions in your family? I don't really have a lot of holiday traditions in my family. We do like to get together and play games during Thanksgiving and Christmas. I really don't do much with Halloween. That was a railroad tunnel that we just went under. Hello. Look at the pretty flowers up along here. They're red and white. I like coming along the trail because you never know what kind of different colors you're going to run into. You might even be lucky enough to see some deer, maybe some birds, or some other wildlife on the trail. Oh, there's some color change. Those Those leaves are slightly orange. Here's some red. There's some yellow. And again, it's kind of early to see all the fall colors, but you may see some of them start to pop right now. And that's real great. Here's another question. What's your favorite holiday and why? Mine is probably either Thanksgiving or Christmas, because that is a time where you can get together
Come on. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey.
Hello. So here's the question again. What is your favorite holiday and why? And as I was saying, mine is either Thanksgiving or Christmas, because that's when a lot of my family tends to get together and talk about what we were able to do over the year. And then we may also talk about what we hope to accomplish in the next year. And we get together and have lots of fun and play not video games, but play games. Which brings me to my other question. What are your favorite forms of entertainment when you get together with your other family members? Do you like to watch movies? If so, what are your favorite movies to watch? Everybody has holiday favorites. So, if you could leave some of your holiday favorite movies in the comment section below the video, we would really appreciate that. Some of my favorite holiday movies, I think, would have to be the Santa Claus movies. Those were pretty popular. And I like, because they tend to do Star Wars movies marathons at Thanksgiving and Christmas time. So what are some of your favorite movies to see at Christmas time. Do you like to play games at family functions during the holidays? If so, what games do you like to play? Do you like to play card games? Board games? Here's some more colors. Isn't the cycle of nature just beautiful? Let's see what else we can see. Here's some orange and some red. One thing to note, folks, is that right now my channel on the Cruiser Chris World Network is a little bit top heavy, which means I am connected with more people than are connected with me at this point, which is making it hard for me to connect with new people. So if you could do me a favor and go into your YouTube subscriptions area on your channel and see if I am subscribed to you, and if I'm not,